Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the appearance on the Noji application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and click to the third option, the settings, at the lower right corner of the home screen. And here you can find the general section and click to the first button, the appearance. And here you can use the system, the light, dark, the Barbie on the basic auto option. For example, use the Barbie. Click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.